You ask your AI assistant to add a rule to Invoice. It writes perfect XAF, and then it references a property your class doesn't have. It isn't hallucinating XAF. It knows XAF. It has just never seen yours. DevExpress already closed part of this. There are official agent skills for how the framework works, and a doc server for the reference. Both are good. Neither has read a single line of your code base. So, install the tool, point it at your module, and it writes AGENTS.md, CLAUDE.md, and Copilot instructions at your solution root. No account, no API key, nothing uploaded. But here's what surprised me. The valuable part isn't the entities. It's everything that is not in your business classes. And an XAF application keeps a remarkable amount of itself outside them. A string property that renders as a barcode scanner. The custom editor lives in the platform project, beside the module, so nobody reading the business objects ever meets it. Neither does your agent. And the JavaScript it can't work without is in neither C# nor XML. And this one. A block guarded by current DB version ran once on somebody's production database 3 years ago, and never again. Reading today's code cannot recover what it did. So when you ask why a column holds that value, the agent invents a reason. The tool keeps the migration, and the comment explaining why. And then the question nothing in the repository answers. What runs when you open this screen? XAF generates a list, a detail, and a lookup view for every business class, so the screens are in no file either. 14 classes, 54 screens, none of them written down. And which controllers load onto one is 4 conditions the framework decides at runtime. All of it is read as syntax with Roslyn. Your project never compiles and no DevExpress assembly is ever referenced. So it works on a branch that doesn't build, it needs no license, and its 270 tests run free on a public runner. AGENTS.md is read on every single request, so most of the documentation is deliberately not in it. 11 kilobytes always loaded, 70 opened on demand. And the smallest part matters most. If it isn't listed, it does not exist. The same extraction also writes one self-contained page for a person, whoever just inherited the application, including a map of your domain model that most teams have never seen because it lives in one person's head, which is exactly the knowledge that leaves when they do. It's free, MIT, and on NuGet. Point it at your XAF application, and when it misreads a pattern yours uses, open an issue. Your agent already knows XAF. Let's teach it your application.